skip to the good part. If there's a good part, then I hope it's not far, 'cause I thought it'd be today.